I mean, I think people that think about robots controlling us, they don't really understand what AI is. I think we call it artificial intelligence, but it's a technology just like any other technology we had. When people invented machines and electricity, people were like, oh, this is bad, this is going to change us, this is the devil or something. And then the same thing came with the internet and many different things. And in the end, AI is not actually going to replace us. It's very far from there, maybe in the far future, which we might not even see. AI is an enabler. It's a very nice technology that enables us to do many different things and spend our actual intelligence doing things that weren't possible before. So I think with one of the words we said a lot is creativity. And I think that AI is a very good enabler for creativity because it takes kind of mundane, not creative tasks and automates them and lets us humans concentrate on our intelligence, on creating and being creative. And I think that's very cool. And I don't see it in the negative manner where AI is going to replace and control us. I think that's very, very far and futuristic and probably will not happen, just like I don't know, electricity isn't controlling us or something like that.